Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite chicharrones preparados. But before we get started, I want to let you know that I will be at AT&T Stadium this September rooting for Mexico national team along with you guys. So make sure you get your tickets at somoslocales.com. Hope to see you there. So with that being said, let's get started. Begin by heating up your oil over medium heat. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to place our weak chicharron and we're just going to allow it to expand. Okay, once it expands and it's fully cooked, we're just going to remove it from the oil. Make sure to drain as much oil as possible. Okay, so once we have our chicharrones, now we can get ready to prepare them. Going to begin by spreading our sour cream. Going to be adding my hot sauce, cabbage. You add as much as you want. Cucumber, tomatoes. Going to be squeezing some lime juice. Top it with my cueritos. Got my avocado, got my crema mexicana, and queso cotija. Add a little bit more salsa, and just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this is one of my favorite Mexican snacks that we all love and enjoy. Hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. Can never go wrong with the chilindrina. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I have made my super easy and delicious chicharrones preparados. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and also make sure you get your tickets for Mix Tour at somoslocales.com.